Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and a warm welcome to all of you this beautiful morning. I now request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to kindly address the gathering. Thank you.
Pro-Vice Chancellor Professor Muhammad Gulrez, Registrar, Finance Officer, Controller of Exams, DSW, Proctor, Deans of Faculties, Principals of Colleges, Provosts, Chairpersons, other functionaries of the University, distinguished faculty, staff, dear students, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and warm greetings on the 75th Independence Day of India. In this year 2022 AD, the 15th day of the month of August is exceptionally special for every Indian. Today the nation celebrates the culmination of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and I greet you all on this auspicious occasion. We will continue to observe this festival of independence till August 2023 on the themes of freedom struggle, ideas at 75, resolve at 75, action at 75, achievements at 75. Ladies and gentlemen, as the head of this great seat of learning, I am gladdened to put on record that the Aligarh Muslim University has shown full participation in the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. All our units have done their best, and I congratulate them on their creativity and innovation. There is no end to how much we should value our hard-earned freedom. On 15th August 1947, when the morning of sweet independence dawned upon us, it was our tryst with destiny, long awaited and well rewarded for the toil it took as one nation, as one people, as one country. Our revered founder, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, harbored unparalleled love and passion for his country. We are making the best for us with our privileged education, career and life choices. At the same time, our moral and ethical duties lie in giving back to the society, helping the needy, and contributing to nation building. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a cherished moment for us to recall the freedom struggles of our people, the sacrifices made by the leaders of the freedom movement, the arduous journey of our nation towards achieving self-goal. Heroes like Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and the other great visionaries and freedom fighters continue to inspire us even today. I am particularly honored and humbled by the sterling contributions of the luminaries of the Aligarh movement in the struggle for freedom. I am sure you too will share this honor with me. When the slogans of Azadi sounded high, the annals and portals of this institution also reverberated with these slogans. Such shining names of the freedom movement as Frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, our third president Janab Zakir Hussain, and the revolutionary Urdu poet Hazrat Mohani, who lit the torch of Azadi, have been our students. Recently, the university has honored an old boy of the MAO College, Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. He was a prominent activist of the freedom movement. We all feel satisfied and happy to have named our historic AMU City School for Boys after Raja Mahendra Pratap. Ladies and gentlemen, the history of our nation in the last 75 years has been inspiring enough to fill us with pride. We are one of the strongest democracies of the world. Our unflinching commitment to the rule of law by the people, for the people, is an example the whole world looks up to. Simultaneously, we have made phenomenal strides in the areas of science, technology, and industry. We occupy a substantial chunk of the world market and are a rising global economy. We have satellites in the space, our ships and submarines sail through the oceans, and the Indian diaspora with its talent and qualifications is conspicuous on the stage of the world. If it was not for the likes of Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, and Indira Nui springing out from homegrown public education institutions of India, many world multinational corporations would have ended up poorer. Our policies and programs for the good of humanity have always been in the right earnest. Our focus is on equality and inclusivity in education. Gender parity is big on our agenda, and we address health, hygiene, and environmental protection substantively. India offers all that it takes to be a Vishwaguru that the world needs in these times of war, climate change, and global viral pandemic. I am sure that the framework provided by the National Education Policy 2020 will take India closer to acquiring the role of global education leadership, inshallah. Such themes of the NEP 2020 like multidisciplinary higher education, academic depository, DigiLocker, and academic integrity for research should be appreciated and implemented by all educational institutions. It is indeed for the sake of raising our academic standards and overall performance improvement in fast-changing higher education environment in the world. In the last few years, our team AMU has worked diligently for the mission of higher education, research, and nation building. We have started new courses, registered patents, and expanded our extension and outreach activities. In keeping with the themes of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we are full of ideas, resolve, action, and achievements to celebrate this solemn festival. In the last 1 year, the university has started many new courses for our students, especially in new areas such as artificial intelligence, electrical vehicle technology, nursing, medical sciences, cyber security, data sciences, Unani medicine, agriculture sciences, among others. I appeal to all concerned to make full use of the same. At this point, I must also make an honorable mention of the AMU alumni across the world. While bringing us glory by their inviolable profiles as scientists, academics, and business leaders in many countries of the world, they are also paying back to their alma mater. I am especially grateful to the AMU alumni for their generous contribution during COVID-19 pandemic. I exhort their continued support for the times to come. It is gratifying indeed that more and more of our alumni are joining the League of Padma awardees. May the glorious tradition carry forward. Friends, today my message is especially for our students. You are blessed with youthful energies and have the advantage of time on your side. Your most laudable goal is to unite to serve the nation and its people, very much in the spirit of this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The university administration is committed to provide all available facilities to the students as well as to the teachers for their academic advancement. I appeal to the students to come forward for various literary, cultural and sports activities at hall, faculty, university level for their overall personality and cognitive development. On this occasion, I congratulate the AMU roller skating team who won the All India Inter-University tournament held in July 2022 at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I also congratulate our athletes for their laudable performance in the recently concluded Commonwealth Games. During COVID-19 pandemic, we lost many of our loved ones, but our resilience is exemplary. Today we are back to in-person classrooms, laboratories and libraries. Our sports grounds, reading rooms and hostels are abuzz with student activity. Nevertheless, the way online lessons were conducted during COVID time is now regarded as a new normal. It conforms to the mission of Digital India. Recently, about 2,000 of our deserving students have been given laptops by the Uttar Pradesh government, and I thank the UP government for this. I urge our students to open up to the immense potentialities of digital learning. If used judiciously and for productive causes, these devices can be your window to the world. I want to bring to the notice of all concerned that some antisocial and lumpen elements occasionally try to disturb the peaceful atmosphere of the campus. Criminal elements will be strictly dealt with in a cooperation with law enforcement agencies and as per law of the land. Let us resolve today to strive to protect our freedom by adhering to our constitutional values, by taking pride in who we are, and last but not the least, in remembering our founding fathers and upholding the legacies they left behind for us. AMU is committed to nation building and development and is a living, shining example of our cultural, linguistic, religious and ethnic diversities in all its glorious forms. Let me extend to you once again my heartfelt congratulations on India's 75 years of independence. आप सबको आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव की दिली मुबारकबाद। खुदा करे हम सब आज़ाद हवा में जिएं और आज़ाद फ़िज़ा में ही अपनी आखिरी सांस लें। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. I thank all the guests for attending the Independence Day celebrations and invite all the guests for a cup of coffee in the lawn of SS Hall South. Thank you.